This blouse comes with a beautiful collar with ruffle details. Let's make it. Reinforce the outer collar piece with interfacing. Cut the collar ruffle 130 centimeters by 3 centimeters and round the ends as shown here. Hem the long edge without curves using a rolled hem foot. Gather the curved edge using a long stitch. Using a long straight stitch, sew 2 parallel lines along the curved edge. This technique makes the ruffles finer and easier to shape. Do not secure the thread ends. Gently pull the bobbin threads to gather the fabric and adjust the ruffle to match the length of your outer collar edge. Pin and sew the ruffle right sides together onto upper collar. Please reference seam number 3. Pin the under collar, that's the one with no interfacing, right sides together onto upper collar. Ensure that the ruffle is tucked inside. Sew along the ruffle seam. Trim seam allowance and turn collar right side out. Press. Reinforce one collar stand with interfacing. Mark the middle of your collar stand in order to align it with the collar later. Place the reinforced collar stand piece on the under collar and the non-reinforced piece on the upper collar, paying attention to seam number 3 and center back. Sew all layers together. Trim the seam allowance. Turn right side out and press. Pin the collar right sides together outer side to the neckline and sew. best is to go from both sides to the middle. Press seam allowance into the collar stand, clipping curves if needed. Fold under seam allowance of the inner, non-interfaced, collar stand and invisibly hand sew in place or baste and top stitch from the outside. You have now mastered the collar, including a classical collar stand. Now only the sleeves are left. See you in the next video.